In a town of golden light, Ilara walked with her books. Emir hurried around the corner. Then the world stood still. A clumsy start to forever. Apologies turned into shy smiles, coffee cups and shared dreams. Summer rain fell on them. One umbrella for two hearts. Autumn leaves danced around them. Conversations lasted until the stars. Winter brought a quiet magic. Every season felt like home. Their bond grew like ivy. Through every laugh and tear, time moved, but they stayed. Back to where it began. The air smelled like destiny. Silence fell over the room. Emir took a deep breath. He knelt upon the wood. A question asked in love. She whispered a happy yes. Their story had just begun.